Soft, safe, and eco friendly material, we are giving you the amazing ideas in this video. Easy to cut, stitch, and glue, perfect for kids and beginners. Bright colors inspire creativity and mindfulness. Affordable and long lasting for DIY decorations. Help with focus, relaxation, and fine motor skills. So, I want to give you the advice of journal craft benefits. Boosts creativity and imagination, reduces stress and bring mindfulness, improves hand-eye coordination and patience, encourages recycling and eco-friendly living, strengthens bonding when done with family or friends. What do you want again and next? These ideas giving you the amazing time. You can do best things for your family and your family time. So now I want to tell you about ornaments crafts benefits. Adds personalized touch to holiday decor. Handmade ornaments carry emotional value and memories. Reusable and eco-conscious. Great for glittering and small home business. Creative expressions through unique designs. Welcome to today's creativity journey. Felt craft handmade ornaments or DIY projects are not just decorations, they are mindfulness in action. Felt craft are soft, colorful, and easy for all ages, making them perfect for learning, relaxation, and family fun. Ornaments, on the other hand, add warmth and personality to your home. Each handmade piece tells a story carrying love and creativity. And crafts in general, they are at the heart of stress relief, skill building, and eco-friendly living. So pick up your felt threads or beads and create something. In today's lifestyle and wellness news, experts highlights the growing benefits of crafting. Felt crafts are gaining popularity for being affordable, safe, and beginners friendly. Meanwhile, handmade ornaments are becoming more than holiday decor. They are cherished keepsakes and even sources of a small income. Mental health researchers also confirm that regular crafting reduces stress, boosts focus, and fosters mindfulness with rising. Eco consciousness DIY crafts are not just hobbies but powerful tools for well being and sustainability. Do you like and do you want to more space and funny times for your kids and beautiful time with get together? So in this video we showing you the amazing crafting ideas, amazing felt ornaments ideas, amazing beautiful ideas for everyone who wants to create something truly different and amazing. So here are very amazing and crafting designs, very beautiful and touchy ideas. Hope you enjoying these designs and ideas. We are giving you the amazing crafty conversation with your family friends due to craft. So what do you feel about that? What do you think about that? These are useful or not? This is a very amazing and useful touch. This is a very useful and amazing designs, and you hope enjoying these designs and ideas. We are bringing to you the amazing collection of these ornaments. So what do you think about that? These designs are useful or not? We are giving you the best opportunity to getting ideas from one video, and one video all in one designs are very amazing and useful. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for watching my video, and thanks again for giving the time of beautiful crafting. Keep crafting, keep smiling, keep doing something amazing. Stay blessed. Have a very nice and beautiful journey. Take care of yourself and your family members. Bless you all. Stay blessed. Have a very nice and beautiful day. May your home fulfill with love and happiness, fulfill with craft and good. Thank you. Stay blessed. Have a very nice day. Good day to you. Good memories for you. May your home keep